YouTube live gaming app. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to hear myself on that, but let's see where we are. Let's see where we are. There we go. I'm going to say live, and I'm going to touch this and see what happens. All right. All right, here we go. Okay. Here we go. All right, so I may have to ask for some additional help on here. Let me see. I'll pull up somebody on Slack here who can tell me what this thing sounds like. So okay, so I'm going to switch to scene 2. Scene 2. And what's funny at the moment, of course, is that in theory you're seeing this bizarre collection of stuff on the screen. This is like the mirror effect, where you've got, you know, a mirror inside a mirror inside a mirror inside a mirror. Hey, I think I have got it. I've got it. All right, let's go over to, I wonder what happens if I go over to settings. Let's find it. If I actually go over into settings here and I go into output and it says software X264, hardware. There we go. Now we've got hardware. So let's find out whether you can actually see this on my screen or on my stream. There we go. Theoretically, you can actually see that. All right, tell me what you see. Assuming you're bored. There we go, assuming you're bored. All right, go on and tell me what you see, assuming you're bored. All right, fine. So I've got hardware acceleration here happening. And it says that I've got hardware acceleration. All right, it says I've got hardware acceleration. So if I switch that and I go apply and I go OK, so now in theory I've got so let's go and bring up the, there we go, I'm in the corner. I don't know if I'm still buffering. This is one of those things, yes, from YouTube. All right, assuming I'm still buffering here. All right, this actually looks pretty good. So OBS, I've compiled the darn thing. There are some weirdnesses, however, with the NVIDIA driver. I've got the NVIDIA driver on the screen here, and you can tell that I've got some weird aliasing crap happening there. I'm not sure what that is all about. All right. All right. I see you. I see you. You see me. I see you. Can you hear me, though? All right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I suppose I shouldn't sing, but I'm singing anyway. All right. I know, it's a terrible song. It's a terrible song. Okay, so I've got theoretically my hardware acceleration. Does my hardware acceleration look good? As in, you know, if I move things around here, does this move at a good clip? Like, are you able to see this moving really, really rapidly? Is there, see, it says, let me see, scene collection. There we go. If again, let's go back into settings just for fun. See, settings, output, hardware, NVNC. Here we go, hardware, NVNC. Okay, see. I did that. I don't know if there's anything else I should be changing here. Okay, so screen off. FPS on the camera is way too low, but that's probably hardware. FPS on the camera. Well, it is just a cheap webcam that's actually built into the thing. You did tell me something about Oh, right. Hang on. Webcam. Webcam properties. Use buffering. Except I don't want to use buffering. You don't want me to use buffering. All right. You told me that you want me to use buffering. Okay. You know what? I don't really care about the webcam all that much. Okay. So really, this is kind of about turning. So I'm gonna just attack with the webcam. The webcam is off. The webcam is off. There we go. The webcam is off, and I'm going to minimize this thing. And now we'll just take a look. But yeah, but there's some weirdness happening to the screen there. See what happens with the NVIDIA driver there? So I loaded the latest development version of the NVIDIA driver. So it's probably an issue there. Now, other things look just fine. Oh, I don't know. Let's go games. GLtron. Well, that should be interesting. All right, let's try that. Let's try GLtron. Game. Start game. Been a while since I've done this one. All right. Oh, I died instantly. Let's see, configure. I think I better turn down the sound on this. It's really loud. It's really loud. I've turned down the sound. All right, so okay, I'm leaving the buffering off on the webcam. Okay, so let's configure keys. Player 1, that's me. Turn left. Turn left. AS. All right, AS. AS. All right, got it. AS. All right. So this is this is an accelerated game. It takes Oh, that really did not go well. It's been a long time since I've tried this one. Been a long time since I've tried this game. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can box these guys in. Let's see if I can box these guys in. Can't hear the sound on stream. Oh! Since it's routing to speakers. All right. Okay. Since it's routing to speakers. Got it. Okay. But you can hear me when I'm talking, right? Let me see. Yeah, can you hear me? Yes, you can hear me. Okay. You can hear me, but you can't hear the internal sound. Well, that's okay. I can probably change. I'm sure there's something in the settings that lets me tab. Settings. Audio. Desktop audio. Monitor of Turtle Beach audio. Mic. That's the mic. So the desktop audio. Monitor of built-in analog stereo. All right, that's probably what I want. Apply. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. If you can hear me, type something. So I'm going to try it again. Now this time, I'm going to try it again, and let's try GLtron one more time. Mic is much lower than internal sound, so desktop audio should be like down here. All right, let's try that version then. Let's try that version. Let's see if that sounds any better. So There we go. Oh, that did not work out very well at all. There we go. How about now? Is my sound better than the internal sound? Should I be turning down the internal sound as well? Is that is that what I should be doing? Or is it still too loud? Is the internal sound still too loud? Okay, probably make the sound only slightly lower than the mic. Got it. Only slightly lower than the mic. Only slightly lower than the mic. Okay, audio, sorry, output. No, hang on, I'm looking in the wrong place here. It's here. Slightly lower than the mic, so like that, basically. So I'll make that the desktop audio. And audio volume settings. But if I change it here, I don't know. I don't know what the best approach is. Probably make the sound only slower than the mic in the mixer. In here then. So in here then. Oh, you mean OBS mixer? OBS mixer, OBS mixer, OBS mixer. There's an OBS mixer? Audio. Audio. Yeah, well, that would be here. This would be the mixer. Desktop audio 8. Mic auxiliary 22. I'll leave it there for now. Not sure exactly what that means, but we'll find out. Okay, OBS mixer. Got it. All right. All right. I think that works. I think that works reasonably well. I'm reasonably happy with that. Like I said, except for the fact that I've got this weirdness with I don't know, with rendering here on the screen, with these icons, rendering the icons on the screen. It seems to be the only thing. I mean, I don't see it anywhere else. Like, you know, it doesn't seem to happen anywhere else. It's just the rendering of the icons on the screen. So I'm not sure what the issue is with that, but that might have to do with the development build. Like I said, I had to pull down a development build or the latest build of NVIDIA. So that I could have the NVIDIA libraries, the official NVIDIA libraries, so I could build FFmpeg against that, so I could build OBS to use that, so that I could actually use accelerated, desktop acceleration in OBS. So I did it. It happened, but of course now I have some slight screen weirdness. So we'll have to see how this goes. Anyway. It's interesting that your voice is showing in both mic aux and desktop audio in the OBS mixer view. Oh, that's true. That's true. I wonder why that is. Do I hear myself? Do I hear myself? Let me just talk. Hello? Do I hear myself? I don't hear myself. That's weird because I don't actually hear myself in the I don't actually hear myself on the screen. On the screen, what am I saying? I don't actually hear myself, my own audio. So it's interesting that it's doing that in the meters there. Very, very interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get ready for doing the show this morning. Is there anything that you would like me to chat about on the show this morning? I'm recording the Computer America radio show in about 40 minutes. Oh, my time actually is set to 4 hours. Oh, holy cow. 2:22 a.m. That is just weird. I'm gonna have to reset my clock here. 2:22 a.m. What the heck is that about? Just let's see, adjust date and time. Time zone. I'm in the right time zone. Date and time. Set date and time automatically. Apparently, that's not right. All right. Not sure why it's doing that, but I'm not gonna put up with it. There we go. I don't know why. It should be picking it up from the NTP servers, but apparently it's not. No idea. No idea. Anyway, yeah. Oh, you don't have any idea, as in you don't have any idea about what you'd like me to chat about, whether there's anything you'd like me to cover, or you have no idea about something else which I've long since left behind because, of course, there's delayed audio when you're listening to this, right? No idea. There you go. Anyway, the live streaming app. Okay, so I'm just gonna cancel the stream here. I'm gonna stop the stream and I'm gonna get ready for the show. Get ready for the show. But it's kind of nice. It looks like I've got a good accelerated desktop. I've got some good speed, and let's go down to F12 here and just do a top. It still shows a high CPU percentage on OBS. I wonder if it's because I'm I've got my, let me just minimize this. Go F12, 57.8%. I mean, I'm not going to kill myself over it because I seem to be getting good response and good performance, but that number still seems a tiny tad high, all things considered. But again, where's my load average? Is 1.36 with streaming, so I'm not going to bitch about it. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to turn off streaming, and thanks for your help, dude. I sincerely, totally appreciate it. Stop streaming now. Stop streaming now. No, I'm just kidding. I'm doing it.